Welcome guys to Tech Skills by Johnson Calvin. Here on this video episode today, I want to show you how to get a foreign phone number from Nigeria, get any US number, any Canada number, any Italy number, any Germany number, any one of the country you do like to get your number and use them on your WhatsApp. The best trick ever to use a foreign number on your WhatsApp without using VPN. It's amazing today. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and don't forget to share. It's part of fun. This video, the one, is for educational purposes. I did this video because I want to educate people on most of the technical issues they do have and the internet and other things they do like to do. They do like to catch as fun. So please be aware this video is for educational purposes. I'm going to show you something very big, a secret today on this video. You're going to get a foreign number with a very simple tips. Before last 2 years you needed a VPN to connect before you can be able to get a foreign number as a number you can use in your local country. I'm in Nigeria and I'm using a UX number. I'm using a US number. So right here on the app, you need to download Test Plus. You need to download Test Plus mobile app into your mobile device. So right now it's going to open. You can see it's open now. This is Test Plus mobile app. Yes, we are on Test Plus mobile app. Alright, so this is my details here. Okay, alright, okay, just want to show you some little stuffs. Just want to show you some little stuffs. So right here you can see my number. It's a Canada number. So you can see I have this here, and the only thing to do is download this Test Plus mobile app. No need for VPN with the kind of tricks I have here for you. So all you have to do is download it, create the account with them, then you have to go for settings. So you only go for settings, you have to go for general settings. When you go for general settings, you can set themes, address book, okay, show frequency contact the way you like it to look like, daylight theme. So all that are not mostly important. The major thing is your profile. So on your profile you have your email, you have your email verified, your name verified, and one other thing. This is my Test Plus number, username. I did not block any contact. And one thing here is, do not add any phone number. That's the secret. Add mobile number for verification. Do not add any mobile number as a verification. That's the only secret. That's the only secret here. No need for VPN again. Don't add any mobile number here to verify. Don't add it. So what you have to do is, after setting it up like this, you have to leave the app on minimize. Go to your WhatsApp, you place the number, you place the number and you verify your account, you log in. They will send it through the the app, Test Plus app. They will send the code through there, then you minimize and pick the code there. But the app have to be on your phone, and when you install the app, make sure you allow all the accessibilities to overtake and override other apps. If not, it won't work. So right here you can see on my phone, let me take you direct to my profile where I have verified my account with a Canada number. So you guys can see it here. I'm taking you direct to my account, business account. Okay, sorry. All right, so guys, you can see this is me on my profile from my business account. I'm using a foreign number, and you can see New York, New York, finance banking. Life is just a clock. When it's your time, use it well, or it passes you by. So guys, this is it. You can see I've verified my account and it's working perfectly well. So the only secret here I left for you is that you should never verify the Test Plus app with another phone number, even if it's a US number or any other one. Just verify your email and set up everything apart from verifying the number. Make sure you allow the accessibilities on the app. If you make mistake, uninstall it, download it, and allow all the accessibilities again. So guys, that's just it. The simple way to get a foreign number. Please, it's for educational purposes. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and share this video just to catch fun. Okay, I really appreciate for your support. I still remain Johnson from TechSkeys.